Okay, so just remember, please try your best to pay attention, come on time, turn on your video, keep yourself muted unless you're answering questions. Raise your hand. Don't raise your hand physically because I cannot see everybody on my screen. So raise your hand using the reaction button so that you will come on stage, okay, on my screen, so I can see you and then I'll call you. All right. And yes, let's participate and do our best. Okay, today you have already completed, everyone have completed your tutorial for today except for Nicholas. Nicholas didn't do and he's not here anyway. So good job. There was one person who didn't. Oh yes, Veda Srisa, you finished the grammar and vocab, but you didn't do anything. You unattempted it. Do you know? Which there were 2 editing questions which you didn't do. You skipped it. Yeah, why? Is it because you didn't know the answers?
No, my mother was helping me, so she finished it. I don't know.
She finished it. Okay, basically, just to remind you all, this assessment is for me to know which questions you need more help in, which question is more difficult for you. I want you all to do the questions for every tutorial by yourself. Don't ask your mommy or daddy or parents. Okay, for PSLE, no one's going to sit beside you and tell you the answers. Okay, try your best so that when you have anything that is wrong, I will know and I can help you. No, I think, oh wow, this girl knows everything, all full marks. Then in the end, PSLE, we know the truth. Okay, so please try every question by yourself. Don't let your parents help you. For PSLE, grammar MCQ is the start of paper 2. There will be 10 questions. Okay, when you open paper 2 booklet, right? You will start with grammar MCQ, 10 questions. Each of them are 1 mark. So it's 10 marks altogether because each of them is 1 mark. Okay. Vocabulary is only 5. There's only 5 questions. Okay, but they're very tricky because all the 4 questions, I mean, the answers are very, very close. Okay. 5 questions, 5 marks. Okay, editing. Editing is checking for spelling, punctuation, and grammar mistakes. Okay, there'll be 12 questions, 12 marks. Do you all read books? If you all read books, your authors, even authors who publish books, they will always have to send their script, I mean the novel, right, their manuscript, to an editor to check for grammar, punctuation, spelling mistakes, okay? So even their work needs to be checked. So they want to check how well you're able to edit work, which means you can check for mistakes. So that's why you have editing as a component as well. Okay, let's start with grammar. Now today's riddle. Okay, remember last week we started riddle as well, right? So this is today's riddle. Every lesson we have an and riddle. By the way, any of you asked your mommy or daddy or your friends the previous lessons and riddle? They all ask? No?
I forgot.
Oh, you forgot? Okay. Anyways, if you did, let me know how they did, whether they got the answer. So today's and riddle, to bring an end from one country, okay, from another country into your country. So you're bringing something from another country into your country. What is that word? Remember, all and riddle, the answer has the word and at the back, but it's not pronounced as and, but yes.
Wait, is it a tenant?
That's last week's answer.
Oh,
That's tenant. Yes, tenant is last week's answer, right? Tenant is someone who's staying in your house renting, right? Not about bringing one country to another country. What do you, okay, for example, I want to sell something, okay? I want to sell a diamond ring, but this diamond ring can only buy from China. So I buy it from China and I bring it to my country and then I sell it. What is that thing called? If you buy things from other countries and sell it in your country, what is that called? Anyone?
I have no idea.
Like I mentioned, right? The answer has the word and at the back. So it has E-N-T at the back. And if you understand what it
not
means
in the
to
front,
bring,
right?
not in front, it's at the back. No, it's at the back. So the word at the back has A-N-T, and if you understand bringing something from one country to another country, you know the word already, you know the answer already. What is that term? You bring something from one country overseas into your country to sell it. What is that? Think about it.
Is it like the name of the transport or
the action is it's a verb. This is a verb. I mean, yes, the verb. What the action that you buy from overseas and sell it in your country? What is that word? No one knows? Give up? Okay, I shall tell you the answer.
Oh,
because the word import, what does import mean?
Oh, okay.
What does import mean? Anyone? Import
Shipping.
means you bring
Shipping.
goods from another country. Oh yes, Shiloh. Yes, Shiloh.
Can I go toilet?
Oh yes, anticlimax. What does import mean, Elias?
Shipping.
Well, shipping is when you yes, but basically the term of buying something from another country because it's cheaper, right? So I import from another country and then I sell it here. That's what most people do. Okay, that's why they earn profit. Okay, so they actually buy it overseas, but like from China or from India because it's way cheaper. The exchange rate is way cheaper, and then they sell here triple the price or 4 times the price, 5 times the price. So that's why you pay so much more. So goods were imported from China. Imported from China means you buy from another country and then you sell. So the word import, okay, is the meaning of bringing something from one place to another place. Of course, I add "n" at the back because it's a riddle. Okay, it's a riddle. So this word is important, right? Important. So that is a riddle. Test your friends, see if they can sell it. Who knows what is the meaning of this word? Export. 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 What does export mean? No one? Export is the opposite of import. Export means you sell abroad. So for example, if somebody from another country wants to buy my goods, okay, and then you want to sell in their country, then I will export from here. So export is you selling, import is you buying and then you selling. Understand? It's the opposite. So they are antonyms, they are opposite, okay? Opposite in meaning. All right, good job to myself, but yes. Okay. Today you're going to play again. I'm going to break you out in groups. How many of you are there today? One.
Wait, but there are only an odd number of people. Wait, no.
Oh, really? Wait, let me count.
Wait,
okay,
but-
Elias, can you count for me how many students are there in the class, excluding me, of course?
4.
4? Including you, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to break you up into 2 groups, okay? Random, I'm not going to, so it's going to be random allocation, 2 groups, okay? What you're going to do is, on this screen, you see my quote-unquote beautiful drawing, right?
Yeah.
Some of them are countable, some of them are uncountable. Before you tell me which ones are countable and which ones are uncountable, please make sure you can write the words down so you know what you're grouping, okay? I'm going to give you 1 minute, okay? This one is obviously the item number 1. It's an apple. You're going to tell me the apple is countable or uncountable. Second thing you're going to tell me is juice. Is juice countable or uncountable? I'm not referring to the packet. I'm not referring to the packet. I'm referring to the juice. Okay, not the packet. So juice. Okay. Third one is a book. Tell me if it's countable or uncountable. Fourth one is you can either take it as food or you can take it as noodles. Okay, those wobbly things. I mean, this thing is supposed to be noodles. So food. It's food or noodles. Countable or uncountable. This one is going to be the item number 5. It's going to be a fork. Item number 6 is going to be a spoon. Please write it down because when I send you to breakout room, you won't be able to see the screen. Okay, so you need to know what items you're telling me, whether it's countable or uncountable. Next one, item number 7 is a tree. Item number 8 is a carrot. Item number 9 is time. And who can tell me what is item number 10?
Rain.
Yes, raise your hand next time. Yes, you're right. Okay, so item number 10 is rain. So we have 10 items, okay, 10 things, okay? You're going to tell me, you're going to group them, okay? Uncountable, what are uncountable nouns? These are all nouns, right? And names of people, names of things, right? Uncountable nouns and countable nouns. That's the first thing you're going to do, okay? I'll give you 1 minute. Discuss with your friend, okay? Maybe not 1 minute. Okay, actually 1 minute is more than enough, okay? Write down which ones are uncountable, which ones are not countable, okay? Let me send you to a breakout room first. Any questions? No questions? Breakout room is basically you will go to a separate room, not here. Yes. I will send you to your breakout room. Where is it? Here. Okay.
Where will you be?
I'll be here, but I will come into your rooms to see whether you're actually doing your work. Okay. So let's assign automatically. Okay, done. Open all rooms. You can go now.
Okay.
So join. You have to click join. Okay. One team is back. So you got all your answers already?
Yeah. No, we forgot about the wait.
All right. I hope you guys had a good, fruitful discussion. Remember who you partner with, okay? So the next time you'll partner with someone else, okay? All right. So who can tell me? I'm going to see which team. So this is teamwork. So you get points as a team, okay? So there is 10 of them. It's 5 This is 3 points. You get 3 points if you get all correct. Who wants to go first? Which team? Anyone? Okay, Elias team will go first. Okay, let me write on the screen first. Uncountable nouns.
But I didn't have time to write it down.
Okay, you can write it down on this screen. Y'all can write annotate. So use annotation on your Zoom.
Okay.
And group 1, write down your answers. One person or two, both you can write. And then group 2 as well, write down your answers. So this is for group 1. This is for group 2. So where I put group 2, group 1 is Elias and Shiloh. Okay, group 2 is Varna and Vedasri. So you can write in the group 2. So please write your answers here.
Wait, I see a van in the PCN.
What? What is that?
Like a park connector, like a canal.
Oh,
And then the van inside.
juice. Someone wrote juice. Okay, that's Eli. Is it? Oh. Okay.
That's me.
You can just text. You can just text, way easier. Just text.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
either annotate as in type, write, or you can type it.
Wait,
Up to you.
time, right?
How do we type it and like write it down?
Okay, so basically on Zoom, on your panel, right, you will see something called
What's the
annotate. Annotate, right? So if you click text, that means you type. If you click the pen, right, that means you are going to draw. If you click draw, sorry, that means you're writing.
What's an annotate? I don't see.
Okay, so
It's
beside
like a
pause,
painting.
yeah, the pen symbol. Beside pause and share, there is a pen symbol. Do you see it?
No.
Don't see it? Okay, click escape, the escape button on your laptop. Maybe you
count time.
Okay, never mind. You're taking too long. I shall write for you guys. Tell me, what are the uncountable nouns? First team. Yes, Shiloh.
Juice.
Juice, very good. What else?
Food.
Food.
Food, okay. Go on.
Rain.
Rain, okay. What else?
I forgot the rest. Time.
Time. Yes.
I thought you can count time.
Okay, wait. That will come back to that. Okay, so juice, food, rain, time. Anything else? Okay, what about countable? What are countable?
Apple.
No, sorry. Second team. Team 2, someone tell me. What are countable nouns?
Apples.
Okay.
Apples. Books.
Apples, books. What else?
Fork.
Forks, okay.
Oh, wait, I
Spoon.
need my red.
Spoons, okay.
And carrot.
Carrot, very good. Do I have 10 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're missing 1, right? There was 10 on the previous slide. Let me see. Yes, you're missing 1. What are you missing?
Tree.
Tree. What?
Oh,
Where does tree go under?
Mm.
Can you count tree?
Uh,
Can you say 1 tree, 2 tree, 4 trees? Yes, tree is countable, okay? Okay, who got all correct? Anyone? Elias and team, Elias and Shiloh, do you all get all correct?
Yeah.
Why is your yeah like so suspicious? What about Varna and Vedasri? Sir? Do you all get all correct?
no. We
Which
only
one?
got like the tree was uncountable.
Okay, very good. So give Varna and Vedasri, sir, give yourself 2 points. I'm just going to call you Veda, okay, short form. So 2 of you can give yourself 2 points. Elias and Shiloh, do you get all correct? Thank you for being honest. Yes. Do you all get all correct?
I'm not that sure.
Okay, then give yourself 2 points as well. You'll write down 2 points, okay? Okay, let me explain to you a simple way of knowing whether something is countable or uncountable. Listen carefully. Are you ready to listen? Okay, everybody look at my screen. If there's a plural, if that noun has a plural form, which means you can write an S behind, it is countable. If you cannot write an S at the back, it is uncountable. There's no such thing as what times is it? Is there? Can you say what times is it? No matter what time is it, it's always going to be time. There is no plural form for this word. That's why it's uncountable. Same with rain. There's no rains. Okay, plural of rain is rain. Plural of food is food. Plural of juice is juice. That's why it is uncountable.